Today on The Brief, just because everyone is focused on the pandemic doesn't mean ransomware has disappeared. In fact, it's alive and well, with Honda becoming the latest high-profile victim. The global automaker confirmed a cyber attack forced it to shut down multiple factories last week, including car plants in Turkey and Ohio. Office systems at its finance division were knocked offline, as were its parts ordering and warranty claims systems. Honda says it has no evidence that personally identifiable information was compromised, and it was able to restore production within 3 days. Honda isn't saying much else, but whatever the root cause, it's a stark reminder that ransomware is no different from any other form of cyber attack or breach. It's someone else's problem until it happens to you. It's also a timely reminder that organizations of all types, not just manufacturers, must focus more closely on the following 3 factors: defense, detection, and recovery. The trio works together, so if one fails, you can still rely on the others. Good defenses include user awareness. Detection encompasses monitoring for things like brute force login attempts. And recovery revolves around having a rapid means of going back to a last known good backup while you minimize your loss window. Researchers analyzing the code used in the Honda attack say it's likely a new form of ransomware from the Snake family of malicious code, and it targets control systems for industrial facilities. It's an approach often used by state-sponsored actors, which sounds exotic, but is really a reminder that we're all at risk. Because state-sponsored attackers often target low-hanging fruit, including all the smaller vendors in a supply chain leading up to a large player like Honda. Ask yourself if you're a stepping stone to a larger partner. Our blueprint, called Create a Disaster-Ready Ransomware Recovery Plan, has everything you need to minimize your exposure and prepare for the worst. Because we can always do more to protect ourselves. That's food for thought.